In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, but with a handy twist, printing it with notes included. This is especially useful if you're preparing for a presentation and want to have key details and points at your fingertips. All right, let's begin. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. This is the document you want to print, and hopefully it's ready with all the slides and notes you need. Once you have the file open, navigate your cursor to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This File option is like a gateway to many crucial functionalities in PowerPoint, including saving, exporting, and most importantly for us today, printing. After clicking the File tab, you'll find yourself in a new menu with a range of options on the left side. From this menu, we'll be selecting Print. The print section is where all the magic happens before you actually commit to putting ink on paper. By default, this might show the setting for full page slides, which essentially means it will print each slide on a separate page without any notes or extra information. Now here's where we get to the essential part of today's guide. What you want to do is concentrate your attention on the section below that shows full page slides. We need to change this setting so that it doesn't just print full slides. Instead, we want to print notes pages. This option will print your slides along with the speaker notes beneath them, providing a practical reference for you or anyone you're sharing the documents with. To make this change, click on the drop-down menu for full-page slides and select Notes Pages from the list of available options. It's a quick adjustment, but one that can significantly enhance how you use your printed presentation material. Once you've selected Notes Pages, it's time to print. Simply find and click the Print button, which should be visible and easy to locate. This action will send your document to the printer, and if everything is connected and functioning correctly, you'll soon have your presentation printed out, complete with the notes you've added. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully learned how to print your PowerPoint slides along with important notes. This little trick can make prepping for meetings or lectures much more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to tune into our next guide for more handy tips and tricks.